All right, in just a couple of minutes, we're going to get our Facebook Live started here and announce our newest event series for 2019. It's been a while since we've done a Facebook Live. We're looking forward to a great 2019. Happy New Year. We're coming to you live from Burrilville, and we'll get started and giving you a tour in a moment of the location of our newest event series. Watch our event page tomorrow when we'll post details about the new event series, but we're going to give you a little sneak peek today, and we'll get started in just a moment. Just going to give a couple minutes for people to get onto our Facebook Live here, and then we'll get started. I know that many of you are getting ready for the snow and freezing rain tomorrow and the Patriots game, but we're already thinking ahead to March when we kick off our official season at Sons of Liberty on the 14th. And we got Food Truck Friday starting on April 19th. We're working on a whole lot of other great series for the summer, and let's tell you about what's going on here and give you an idea of our newest series. So, here we are. I'm at the waterfall in Burrilville. Right behind me, you can see the Assembly Theater. We're going to take you up to the Assembly and show you this wonderful property where our newest event series is going to be starting in May. We'll do a monthly series here starting in May. We'll post the event series tomorrow on our event page, so keep an eye out for that. We're very excited about the upcoming 2019 season. I know that many of you are fighting this winter weather, getting ready for the storm tomorrow, and are thinking about the Patriots game, hoping they make another trip to the Super Bowl. But we are busy working on confirming our existing schedule, adding new events, and today we just did a final walkthrough here in Burrilville at the Assembly Theater, where our newest monthly series will start in May. So you can see behind me the beautiful lake and the grassy area where it will be filled with live music and a beer garden and happy families and people on dates and grandparents sitting out here on lawn chairs and blankets, eating from the over dozen food trucks that we'll have here. The Assembly Theater will be open, probably be doing some looping movies. This is a great location. Right now you can see the ice is frozen, so people out there with their dog and skating and fishing. And this is the area where we're going to have the food truck set up. You know how we roll. We'll bring in 12 or more food trucks, everything from hamburgers and tacos and Asian food and some fusion things and some great different products for you. The theater will be open. This is a wonderful theater. The patrons of the Assembly contacted us and asked us if we'd be interested in coming to Burrilville and doing a food truck series, and we came up here and looked around and immediately said absolutely. So you can see that this is a beautiful spot. We'll have food trucks all around this paved parking area in the back. There'll be a beer garden right there next to the building. The building will be open. We'll have live music out here. This will be the newest series in our 2019 food truck event series. Food Truck Friday at Roger Williams Park will be back for its 5th season starting April 19th. We're working on finalizing our details for our Warwick Food Truck Night series. We will be back at Sons of Liberty on the 2nd Thursday of the month starting in March. Our food truck event with the Paw Sox is confirmed for September. We'll be back doing a food truck fundraiser for the Flames of Hope in October. We'll be back to Frayrich's Farm in October and December. We're working on a great series of events. Just as a reminder, all of our events are free community events except for our Paw Sox Craft Beer Festival in September. But if you're looking to go out to a food truck event and they're charging you a fee for entrance, it's probably not one of ours. We try to do community events where you come out and there's a great variety of food trucks and live music and often beer and wine. And we could not be more excited about coming out to Burrilville. Again, this lake is going to be a beautiful backdrop to grab your food and sit out on the grass and listen to some live music. The theater is going to be open to take tours. They'll be showing movies on a loop. We'll have live entertainment. It's going to be a wonderful series that we're going to put up on our event page tomorrow. So we hope that you'll look for it and share it. And we hope to see you at our food truck events throughout the spring, summer, and fall of 2019. Who knows, if we can get some cooperative weather the rest of January and February, maybe we'll do a pop-up and surprise you. But I just want to give you one last look here at the Assembly Theater in Burrilville, which for those of you that are in Providence or in other parts of the state that maybe haven't traveled to Burrilville regularly, but it took me 22 minutes to get here from downtown Providence. So if you're looking to come check out the waterfall here or do a little skating this afternoon, come on up to Burrilville to the Assembly Theater. Come check it out in advance. But starting in May, this will be the home of our newest event series, a monthly series that we're going to post up tomorrow on Facebook. We can't wait for you to join us, and we look forward to a great 2019. Have a great weekend.